Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my Amazon must-haves. I shop on Amazon all the time. I have a package from them almost every week. So I've narrowed it down to my favorite items, and we're just gonna grab some tea and chill while I share with you some of my favorite must-haves from Amazon. Without further ado, let's get started. So first off, I'm going to be sharing with you these amazing toothbrushes, and for me it's one of the best purchases I've made on Amazon, and it's lasted me for more than a year and a half. I just like to change and switch out the heads with the refillable brush heads, but it comes in 3 speeds: the clean, sensitive, and massage. It's waterproof. It also has a timer, a 30-second timer for each quadrant, because the dentist says you have 4 quadrants in your mouth, and each one you're supposed to be brushing for 30 seconds. So this has everything you need in a toothbrush all in one, and I love it so much. I love the sleek design, and it's also rechargeable, so you don't have to use batteries. Next, we have these on the topic of dental hygiene. They are tongue scrapers. I bought one for me and one for my fiance, and I love them. I love the rubberized grip. I love the pink and the blue for him, and I love how effective these are in getting all the gunk off your tongue. If you've never used a tongue scraper, you definitely need to purchase one of these so you can try it for yourself and see how much gunk it gets off your own tongue. But yeah, I love them so much. I use these almost every single day as well. And lastly, in the dental hygiene category, I have this roll-up toothpaste holder. You hang it in your shower. I like to brush my teeth in the shower. I don't know if that's normal, but 9 times out of 10 I like to brush my teeth in the shower. So it rolls it up and you just hang it on there, and you have this nice toothpaste just hanging on the wall in your shower instead of like stored somewhere else. That's kind of like ugly, I guess. And I love it. It's so convenient. I'm thinking about spray painting it like black or something because I really don't like this blue. But other than that, I love the design and I love how easy it is to use. And yeah. Next, I have this clothing steamer. I use this all the time to smooth out my backdrops or get rid of any wrinkles on my clothes before I'm leaving last minute. And I love this so much more than an iron. It just gets everything out so easily. You just hang your clothes on a hanger somewhere and steam all of it out. And I actually saw another one on another app, and it was actually $40, and I got this one under $15. So Amazon is where it's at for all of these products. You can get the best prices. And next, I have this car accessory right here. It's to hold all your coins, and you stick this in between the pouches, and it gives you this extra compartment in your car, and I love it. I use this so much. I took this out of my car for the sake of this video, and I've been missing it so much. It's so convenient in holding all the coins in your car because my car doesn't have that compartment for coins, and I love this compartment here as well. So this is one of my favorite products from Amazon. And next, we have one of my favorite items. I'm going to be inserting it right here because it is a mop, but I definitely do like it a lot. I just recently got it, but I love it so much already. It really has made a difference in my cleaning routine, and it's super easy to use. You can fill it up with your own solution. I like to use the Pink Fabuloso, and it smells so good. It has the floor smelling great, and they're not sticky. And also, I don't have to keep buying refillables for it, so I'm really happy about that. Yeah, I definitely would recommend it because it has made a big difference in my cleaning routine. Next, I'm going to be transitioning into more of my beauty related items, such as this blackhead remover. It's kind of like a suction cup, and it's great to use, for me anyways, on my pimples and my breakouts. Literally, this is what it looks like. And don't ask me why everything looks brand new, because I bought it a long time ago, but after I use it, I put it right back in the packaging because I don't really know why. I feel like it's kind of made for it and everything just has a place. So I really don't end up throwing away the box. So that's that. If you guys think I'm crazy for doing this, please let me know, because I think that it's totally fine. It's easy for when I move. Everything's already packed up anyways. Okay, next item is these reusable makeup pads. My coworker actually bought this for me as a part of my Secret Santa gift, and I love these so much. They're made from microfiber cloths, so you kind of just use them to remove your makeup, and they're so gentle because of the material. And then when you're done, you just put them in this mesh bag right here and throw them in the washer. I love them so much, and they make me feel so good when I use them because I feel like I'm doing the planet some justice. But I totally love the concept of reusable makeup pads, so I definitely would recommend them to you. And the next beauty item I would recommend would also be this marble makeup organizer. If you guys don't know me, I love marble. So this is so me, and I've been through so many makeup travel bags, and this one is the one that I'm definitely sticking with. It has a compartment for literally everything, palettes, brushes, everything that I need for my makeup routine will definitely fit in here. So this is a great organizer for your makeup or your skincare. And lastly, I'm going to be recommending to you this mini ring light. Of course, you guys know I film with the bigger, newer ring light, but I also have this mini one. When I first started YouTube, this was great, and I'm so happy I've had the chance to upgrade some of my equipment, but I've resorted to use this more when I'm on the go and needing to take pictures or something. So I definitely recommend this to up-and-coming YouTubers, or if you just want to up the quality on some of your pictures, this is definitely one of the ways to go. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, my Amazon must-haves. If you guys definitely like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That will let me know that you really like this Amazon series that I'm doing. I definitely have more items to share with you because I'm always purchasing from Amazon all the time. But yes, and until next time, thank you for watching.